Ocean Territory. What details are on your flag? Well, we have the Liechtenstein thing. Yeah, a crown of Liechtenstein on a tree. We also have some waves, as you can see. Look, I'm only little waves. Is that it, or you have like more? Last one, we have the UK flag. And yes, I'm 8, and I don't know why I'm so small. But yeah, they have me. Very cool, British Indian Ocean Territory. Are you a new flag? Oh, I'm actually a very old flag, not new.